Wireframes are an important step in the development of any website or mobile app. They allow your team to quickly lay out all the necessary elements in a visual way before writing a single line of code. The wireframe helps communicate design concepts to your team, clients, or management. And it's really easy to create using SmartDraw. To get started, click on New Document, then choose Software Design from the list of categories, and open the wireframe template. Here in the Smart panel, you'll find tools to build your wireframe, along with several symbol libraries for iOS and Android, and website and user interface elements like buttons, menus, panels, and so on. Use the Shape, Line, and Text tools to make a basic outline of your interface. To add a new element to your design, simply drag and drop a shape from the library to the page. Add a tabbed element to your design and click on Insert here in the Smart panel to add an additional tab to the element. Just type to add text. If you need to remove a tab, select the tab and hit Remove. You can also add icons to select wireframe symbols like drop-down menus. Select the menu item you want to add an icon to, go to the Smart panel, and click on Add Icon. You can choose one of the existing icons, or even import your own. To add a separator into a menu, select the menu element and click Add Separator. You can simulate future user interactions in contextual menus using smart wireframing symbols that let you toggle conditions. This is especially useful when trying to show usability for mobile app designs. You can toggle settings, checkboxes, and radio buttons on and off as necessary. All of SmartDraw's wireframing symbols will show their pixel dimensions when selected. And the rulers around the drawing area also show pixels to help you line up elements. Resize shapes to exact pixel dimensions by typing their height and width right into the dimension display. If you use the mouse to resize an element, you'll see its dimension change in real time. When your diagram is complete, share it with team members or clients with a few clicks. It's that simple.